Okay, hello guys, good morning. Actually, good afternoon. And I just want to give my 1 minute here. This is the Nifty 50 chart. As you can see, it was a trend shifting in daily time frame. I'll show you how you can notice the dip in daily time frame and also see what's happening now. It tested the yearly bottom central once again. See, it turned in the downtrend here somewhere and closed below S1, and this year is the bias rejection year, guys. So you should not be hoping if it will not stabilize around S1. So this is yearly view, and also bank nifty same thing. This is from pivot. See, this is bank nifty traded for 2 days below S1. Just 2 days it was for below S1. Now if this sell off continues, then you'll see the downtrend. अच्छे से बोलना चाहिए, कभी कभी मैं भूल जाता हूँ कि मैं YouTube पे बात कर रहा हूँ। मुझे लगता है कि मैं अकेला बैठा हुआ हूँ और मैं खुद से बात करने लग जाता हूँ स्लो स्लो। सो that's the scene. So this is bank nifty, and still if you notice, this is very interesting. The pivot point remain untested, so definitely it's going to come here till the pivot point. And what's with gold? This is euro pair, and this is USD pair. So it was a monthly sell formation, rejected from weekly R1. That was the perfect sell price, and now it is trying to continue downwards. It should, if it is rejecting and closing below this price 4728, then it's going to remain in the downtrend. And yesterday, what happened, if I'll show you, also you can see the weekly profile, how it's happening and what's happening. So weekly it got rejected from R1. It was a bullish week, so the bias continued till R1, and all three lines are tested. So my view is that it will try to come down towards the weekly mean price. This is the perfect selling price. Opening above L3 is still a bullish sign, so Camarilla is in the bullish bias still. Even though CPR of daily time frame, if we notice, so it is a bias rejection day. This is the perfect sell confluence price. This is here you should be selling. And I don't think so it will go till there. Bias may turn from exact bottom central. I'm thinking that CPR will remain untested, because yesterday what happened, it was an inside value setup opening above previous day high and rejected from weekly R1. This price, this exact price is the weekly R1, and this was a daily R2. We tried selling somewhat here and got removed in the volatility because I was trailing and so on, so could not capture the whole move. But yeah, so basically this was the first day when gold has started to shift in downward trends. How? See, इस पूरे क्रैश के बाद what happened? Opening was below CPR, sell sign, but crossed above, and the closing was still below CPR. But next day, what happened? The opening went above CPR and consolidated because it was a sell day formation and opening was bullish. So, and see what happened. The closing went higher highs. मतलब ओपन से और ऊपर बंद हुआ. So ये भी बुलिश सिग्निफिकेंस है. एंड अगले दिन ये पहला दिन है जब नीचे आया, ओपन से नीचे बंद हुआ. सो दिस डे विल बी अ विक डे. यहाँ से टच करके it'll shoot downwards. If the CPR remains untested, this pivot point and three lines will remain untested. Then it will come till S3, S2. So like 70% or 80% chances are there that it will do something like that. If this whole CPR remain untested in euro dollar, see it was a bullish bias yesterday and it turned. How it turned? It didn't turn exactly. It will turn if the price will close below this price. This is the daily virgin pivot, so highly likely that market will touch this price if the day will remain consolidated because sellers are waiting for this formation. Once this formation is done, मतलब आज अगर यहीं इसी के नीचे क्लोजिंग हुआ तो अगले दिन का सीपीआर यहाँ कहीं बनेगा और उसके नीचे ही ओपन हुआ तो और ज़्यादा सेलिंग आएगी. So basically I'm expecting that it will come down around $200 from here, and let's see how it will play out. See, the volatility is same volatility, all the machines are working here. See, basically what happened in R2, responsive and initiative players. Machines do the both things for the institutions. They are the responsive player. See, this is the initial balance we have already covered in one video. What is the initial balance? See, it is not crossing the initial balance, and the responsive and initiative participants are playing. So this is not a small volatility, guys. This is like 15 minute में एक एक परसेंट मूव हो रहा है. This is 1% moving in a minute.